Yeah, baby, it's time for another review. So I've been meaning to do a review on this Pilates bar for months, and finally I'm getting to it. All right, so I got this from Amazon. I think the brand name is Homie or Homie. I don't know how you say it, but Hommie. Obviously, I got a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. So I've been wanting one of these for the longest time, and I got one several months ago, and mainly I got it, and I think a lot of people get this to be able to do squats. All right, so I don't have a squat rack, which I want to get. I got one in the garage, but I ain't got it up yet. So I wanted something that I still can kind of emulate doing squats, in the basement. All right, so anyway, this comes with 3 different resistance band strength. So it comes with a 20 pound, 40 pound, and 60 pounds. So altogether you're going to get 6 bands. All right. So I'm going to demonstrate doing the squats because I know a lot of people look to get these to do squats. All right. Now keep in mind you can do a gang of shit with this, but I mainly use it for squats as well. So I'm just going to demonstrate how you would do this. All right. So you got the bar. You got the little foot handle things, right? So all you do is to slip your foot in, bam, and then put another foot in, boom. Get it up, spread those legs about shoulder width apart. I squat down, put the bar behind the neck, right? And then come up, bam, right? Go down slow, get that ass back and come up, bam, right? Boom. Boom. So right here is all of the bands, all right? I got all the bands on, and with all the bands on, it's 240 pound resistance. Now you see I could pretty much do this, pretty easy, but I'm definitely feel it. So I usually do high reps whenever I'm doing this. So you're looking at like, 12 to 20 reps with this. But it depends on, your level, right? Like to somebody, they might not be able to do that. Somebody else might look at it as like, I could do 100 reps, right? But you do get some resistance with it. Obviously, you're not going to get the same resistance you would if you had a 300 pound bar on your neck, but like it do the trick, all right? So I want to demonstrate some other things that you can do with this, some other common exercises that a lot of people use this for. Hey, if you like the idea of health and wealth, you need to take the Live Good tour. Find out how me and thousands of others are making a monthly income with Live Good. Click the link in the description to take the 5-minute Live Good tour right after watching this video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is take off some of these bands for demonstration purposes because I don't want y'all to see me struggling with all this. So anyway, I'm going to take these off. Alright, so another common exercise that a lot of people use this for is doing basic bicep curls. Alright, so it's the same concept. You want to take your little foot strap thing, put your foot in there, bam, go to the other side, put it in just like that. Alright, stand up. You can adjust your, your distance between your feet and all that, but just doing a basic curl, right? Ready? And just curl up. Nice and slow, come down slow. Now the thing with resistance bands, like when you come up, great, you can feel that nice little squeeze. But when you come down, because they bands, they can just, throw your arms down real fast and like no resistance at all coming down. So it's up to you to control the bands on the way down. So you're doing a nice curl, boom, but then control it. I know it might seem boring and shit, but this actually helps, right? Then come up slow, come down slow, right? Come up slow, come down slow, all right? You can even do the reverse grip, same concept. Come up slow, control it on the way down. Come up slow, control it. Another thing you can do, which is difficult for me because these low ass ceilings, but this, if you got higher ceilings or you're outside or in the garage or something, you can do shoulder presses. And I did this when I was in Arizona visiting my sister. I was working out using hers in her garage. So same thing, boom, shoulder press. All right, just like that. You can press up. Obviously, if I had more space, I extend a little more. But you can see you can do the press, alright? You can even go behind the neck if you want. Some people don't like that, but I don't really like that shit either. But anyway, keep that shit in front, bam. Another thing you can do for the shoulders is to do straight, front lifts just like this. Delt lift, delt raises, whatever you want to call them. Same thing, just come up slow, control it down. Come up slow, control it down. Alright? Boom. So you can see, like, those are the basic exercises that you can use and work, all the muscles that you need to work. You can definitely get a full body workout. Now, one thing I do want to say, this does come in 3 pieces. So, like, if you want to shorten up the bar, you can. All you need to do is just take it apart. Very, very easy. You know what I'm saying? Just unscrew this end. Then you unscrew the middle piece. The middle piece actually comes out, and you can just shorten up the bar if you want. Alright, so you got the 2 pieces. You just want to screw it back in. Hold up. Screw it back in just like that. Bam. Alright, now you're good to go. Alright, so now you got it shortened up. Hold on, let me tighten it a little more. Bam, bam. Alright, so same concept. And you can, use the bar the same way. If you want to do curls, whatever you're trying to do, you can do it just with a shorter bar. Alright? Now, like I said before, one thing I would say that I didn't see is where I could order more of these resistance bands, because even with the squats, I feel like I can get more resistance. So I think if you want to add some bands, you're just going to have to buy a whole nother kit, right? But the cool thing is, like, this didn't cost that much. When I got it on Amazon, I believe it's like $30 something, right? You might be able to catch it on sale. I might do some more videos demonstrating more exercises, because you can do a gang of shit with this bar, but I just showed you the basics, and I mainly use it for just doing some squats. And like I said, I do high reps, but depending on your level, just adjust the bands. So I do rock with this. I use this at least twice a week. I throw it into my workouts, and I'm definitely feeling it. Like I said, there is a link in the description of this video so you can check it out for yourself.